Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you've already read from the title, today's video is going to be on how to make your very own hand sanitizers at home. Now, since hand sanitizers are on high demand right now and they are not being found in stores since they are all sold out, I will be showing you guys step by step on how to make a hand sanitizer at home by using only 3 ingredients. Now to make this DIY, you're going to need is of course rubbing alcohol, aloe vera gel, and an essential oil of your own choice. Hand sanitizer is ready to use. This is a super easy and simple hand sanitizer that you can easily make at your homes. I will highly suggest that it's always best to wash your hands, but if you can use this after washing your hands, just so you didn't miss a spot or something, then yes, of course you can do that. Or even if you're on the go, then yes, you can use this as well. I hope this video has helped many of you all and has also taught you how to make a hand sanitizer at home. Comment down below, let me know what other great videos you guys want me to make next. And also like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for lots more other fun videos. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. And I will see you guys next time. And I will be also posting more videos, more than once a week, maybe twice a week. So stay tuned, guys.